That blinking blue light on your Rogers modem, like the Ignite XB6, XB7, XB8, or even the newer XB9, usually means it's in WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup pairing mode. WPS is designed to easily connect devices to your Wi-Fi without needing a password, but sometimes it gets stuck. This blinking can also indicate a hardware fault or wireless interference. The light should be solid blue when properly connected and red when there are connection issues. If the blinking persists, the modem is likely stuck trying to pair via WPS. First, try pressing the WPS button on your modem for a second or two. This should cancel the pairing mode. If that doesn't work, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. For a more permanent solution, you can access your modem settings through a web browser by going to 192.168.100.1. The default login is usually qsadmin and password. Once logged in, disable WPS in the Wi-Fi settings. Rogers now recommends using their Ignite TV app or an Ethernet connection for new device setups rather than WPS, as it's considered a less secure legacy option.